What's up, Ram fam? I got the badges in. Welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing if you are new, join the Ram fam. But I got the T-REX badges for the side door. I'm gonna put it right by the Ram. They're in black, so on Amazon they have black or red. I'll leave a link down below to both for you. So here are the badges. You get two. It has the adhesive already. Now they do have the red. The red is kind of like filled in, so like they have like some backing here, and all the inside is red. Looks kind of dope, but I'm not going with the red color scheme, so these will do the trick. And just a quick note, it does have like a plastic cover on it as well that you will need to peel off. So that's why you can like see some bubbles there, just like a protective film. And here again, once again, is the backing. So let's go install it. So what I think I'm gonna do right here is put it like right there. There is enough space, as you can see, to clear and all that. So kind of just line it up right in the middle and tack it on. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the surface, make sure that's clean, and then go ahead and throw it on. We'll take a look at the finished. All right, here's the finished product right there. Pretty freaking sweet. And I think they're like 20 bucks on Amazon, so not too crazy. But there you go, there you have it. Just make sure they're lined up. So I went with this right here, trying to have it right in the middle of the R. Focus real quick, there you go. But there is a close-up. Let me know what you think down below.